Oh wow, look who decided to pull up. Jeez, this actually made it in here. Okay. You guys don't know, if you guys didn't see on the Yukon Car Show, this thing has a 2JZ in it. Damn, money man Jamie out here. So Jamie right now, he has a 2JZ in this. He was having some problems where it was falling on its face, thinking it's the spring, because the blow-off valve would literally just open up right away, causing the car to stall. So we're gonna check right now and see what spring he has. That way we can switch out the spring and yeah, fix this issue. Dude, these look so good.
Yeah, I just
nice.
decided to go silver. I was gonna go with OEM.
So I think it turns out that somebody already was doing like exactly what I wanted to do, because I don't think this is OEM. I could feel some of it, and I think this is all undercoated, because giving away that it is all black unless it's all sprayed, but you could kind of see like the swirl marks here. That's a plus, but I'm just gonna go just to have like a good sense of mind and just redo it and do it my way. That way I don't have to worry about it and nothing's trapped inside of this for any rust, aka right there. Well, so you can see here we got some rust. It seems like the right side for some reason is a little bit more rusted than the left side, but I did find like a little piece of, I think I went too hard, and a little rot piece there, so that's kind of upsetting. But I mean, other than that, just going to town all over underneath, and then we can finally get started on undercoating this. All right guys, I lied. So this is actually probably the worst part here. So this is on the left side actually. I mean, it's not too crazy, but it definitely, so you can see how it's pretty clean here, but that's the only reason why, was because this car was sitting. Thankfully all the screws came out really easy. Everything's been coming out pretty easy. It's just, I guess, just a bunch of surface rust. So we're gonna transform this. Look at that, quick little sand. This should be good. Yeah, so right here, paint directly over rust, seals rust permanently. No need to remove rust before applying. But what I wanted to do was just to make sure that everything was flat, leveled, pretty much sanded down. Like I said, this car seems like they did put an undercoat under it in some spots, so that's a plus, I guess. Now we just get our Robert Ross going on with the paintbrush here. So the best way is to actually spray this, but obviously I don't have a spray gun and I don't feel like spending a lot of money to pay somebody else to spray it, so that's why I'm just using a brush. There you go, just like that. This side is complete, and that's only one coat. So the plus side about this is that you can literally just go ahead and spray right over it if you want to. I like the gray, it looks very OEM-ish, and yeah, Adrian's gonna have to mess with this. I messed up on this part big time. So if you guys can see here, I finally went ahead and started going at the subframe bushings. Surprisingly, it wasn't as hard as I thought it'd be, just because I saw like a lot of videos. A lot of people were burning the excess rubber. All I did was just went around with a drill, got all that out, and then just took a flathead and literally just mushroomed it, and it honestly popped right out. Probably took maybe 10 minutes. I took a little Sawzall also just to get into there. I kind of went too deep on this side, but thankfully that's why you should always cut against this rather than here, because if you cut against here, you're kind of screwed. So just finish that up, gonna do the other side, and then we could go ahead and install it. So if you guys see here, I did just like 2 little slits and literally come right out. And just push it out. Stab it. There we go. There we go. Nice. Actually went in all the way. All right, I'm hyped. So next thing I'm gonna do is, so I have to clean up all the ends there. I'm waiting on some arms to come in. Undercoating is perfect. I love how it came out. This is gonna need to be sanded and stuff like that. That's not too bad. Underneath, that's the gas tank, that's all black. I went ahead and painted all the under metal barrier there. Did it with a flame-proof black as well. Everything underneath is all gray also, all the way to the end over there. So that's a plus. I already went ahead, cleaned all this up. This here Gonna pop right in through there, like so, and then boom, that's it, we're done. Good thing about this too, definitely do this, guys. Damn, just got bit by a mosquito. Definitely do this, and it sees everything, every little thing. That way you don't have to kick yourself in the butt later on if you ever need to do this again. All right, now, putting the subframe on, actually wasn't too bad than I thought. And yeah, now you just go ahead and put on the braces. Nice little finish here. I love this finish. This is the hammered finish rather than the wrinkled finish. So this is gonna be nice. Woo, get hype. Subframe is in. Everything's all bolted up. Oh man, I'm so hyped on this. Never do a subframe again. So like I said, the only thing left is just for the arms to come in. Then we can go ahead, clean up the diff, put new bushings in there. I already got the diff bushings as well. We're gonna put that in. But stay tuned, guys. This has a long road to come, but the rear is almost done, thankfully. All new parts are coming in, and then you can go ahead and start tackling the front end, and then this can finally get sent off for paint. And I think this is gonna come afterwards, but Z is drifting, and it drifts perfectly. Stay tuned, guys.